Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to show the notifications on lock screen on Samsung Galaxy A55 5G device. Well, showing notifications on the lock screen enhances the usability and accessibility of your device by providing quick access to important information, enhancing convenience, and ensuring you stay informed at all times. So how to do that? Let's go to the tutorial. Okay, firstly you have to go to the settings on your device. Well, and on this page, select Notifications menu, and then choose Lock Screen Notifications. Okay, so here you will find two options. If you activate the first one, then it will show the notifications include its content. But if you select the second option, and then it will display the notification without content on your lock screen. And lastly, you can also activate this option to show content when the device is unlocked. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to show the notifications on lock screen on Samsung Galaxy A55 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.